Hi, my name is Cameron. This is my R32 four-door. It's a 1989. I originally bought this as a quick flip about 14 years ago. I've not done very well with that plan. Started out factory as a R32 GXI, which would have been a CA carby, and now it's got an RB25 Neo out of a Nissan Stagea. It's got an R33 GDST gearbox and just some basic bolt-ons. So we got a AT Performance manifold, still running the Kinagawa Turbo, Koyo Rad basic cooling mods, go around to the insides. Been taking things a little bit more seriously, so we've got a roll cage and some harnesses, keeping people safe, and yeah, that's basically it.
Is this the ultimate vision for it, or is there more that you want to do?
I would love for it to look nice. So the mythical paint job that's been on the cards for about 8 years now would be going in. I suppose some other things to talk about would be suspension. There's a lot in the car on the suspension. So we've got a Shockworks coilovers that have been custom valved for the car. They've got stance parts air cups, which allow me to get a bit of lift, means I can actually get it in my driveway. Running R33 GTR Brembos. The car's got some custom apostol arms in it, so it's got a complete setup normally set up for drift, but it's been changed so that I can tap my cake and eat it too, which means I can do street, drift and track all on the same setup. And it's on Nankang CRS tyres at the moment, which we're trying out the new version 2s of, which have had promising results.
And what do you reckon is your favourite mod that you've done to the car?
I really like the steering wheel going around. Thanks, Matt.
No worries.
You're welcome. So a while ago when Garage 7 was sort of a different company, they reached out to Nardi and they were able to get some custom wheels. So this is a deep corn that normally comes with perforated leather or suede, and it's also got some purple stitching, and I've paired that with a nice purple boss kit. It's got some little hearts in it, which is very cute, matches everything else.
Now, I know you told me this just before, but you were chasing a particular lap time and you got it. What was the lap time you were chasing today?
I was chasing a 119.
Yep.
Be happy with a 119.999, and I managed to get a 119.53. 119.
You got a 19, 119? Hell yeah!
There it is.
119.53. Very nice. And we're what, halfway through, just over halfway through the day?
Halfway through the day. So far been pretty good, but I think now it's more about the passenger experience.
Yeah, now it's the fun. You've hit the time you want.
Don't need to stress the car anymore. Now time to stress out Fabian.
Awesome. Cool. Well, thank you very much.
No
and
worries.
I hope the rest of your track day goes without any problems.
Thanks.